Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Carl Lambert, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Family Medicine here at Rush, and I'll be one of your teachers this year. So I hope to be a friendly, reassuring, and familiar face for you during your time here at Rush. I want to give you my warmest welcome to Rush, and as a Rush alum, I'm keenly aware that you're probably feeling a mixture of joy, excitement, anticipation, and perhaps some anxiety or uncertainty, especially in the times that we're in. And that's okay. I want to reassure you that as an incoming student to our school, you're now part of a tight-knit community, and you'll have our unwavering support during your time here at Rush and even beyond. Today, I'm privileged to have been asked to lead your class in our yearly tradition for our incoming M1s of the reciting of the Hippocratic Oath together. Written in the 5th century BC, the Hippocratic Oath is one of the oldest documents in history. While the creators intended it to be a binding covenant, modern doctors see the oath as a promise to uphold the art of medicine and act in patients' interests. Since the time of Hippocrates, medical practitioners have taken an oath to uphold the principles of the vocation to which they dedicate themselves, with a firm commitment ready in your heart, mind, and soul. In setting forth these principles, the oath serves both as a contract with one's patients and surrounding community, and an affirmation of one's deep commitment to the profession. Today, class of 2024, you might be in the presence of family, friends, and virtually teachers and future colleagues, poised to join a rich tradition of discovery, selfless service, and healing. Being mindful of the debt you owe to the mentorship of those who came before you, while recognizing that your work will inform the practices of those who follow. You now will engage in an oath that draws on elements both ancient and recent. I now invite you as a class to articulate the ideals and principles that I hope will guide you in your journey towards becoming physicians. So now, class of 2024, I invite you all to recite the Hippocratic Oath with me. I swear by Apollo the physician, Asclepius, Hygeia and Panacea, and all that I hold most sacred, to fulfill to the best of my ability and judgment this covenant. I will respect the hard-won scientific gains of those physicians in whose steps I walk, and gladly share such knowledge as is mine with those who are to follow. I will apply for the benefit of the sick all measures which are required. I will remember that there's an art to medicine as well as science, and that warmth, sympathy, and understanding may outweigh the surgeon's knife or the chemist's drug. I will not be ashamed to say, I know not, nor will I fail to call in my colleagues when the skills of another are needed for a patient's recovery. I will respect the privacy of my patients, for their problems are not disclosed to me that the world may know. Most especially must I tread with care in matters of life and death. If it is given me to save a life, all thanks, but it may also be within my power to take a life. This awesome responsibility must be faced with great humbleness and awareness of my own frailty. I will remember that I do not treat a fever or chart a cancerous growth, but care for a sick human being whose illness may affect the person's family and economic stability. My responsibility includes these related problems if I am to care adequately for the sick. I will prevent disease whenever I can, for prevention is preferable to cure. I'll remember that I remain a member of society with special obligations to all my fellow human beings, those sound of mind and body as well as the infirm. May I enjoy life and art, respected while I live and remembered with affection thereafter. May I always act so as to preserve the finest traditions of my calling, and may I long experience the joy of healing those who seek my help. Again, to the class of 2024, it is my warmest welcome to you to Rush. Congratulations on joining this ride that we call medical school, and I can't wait to meet each and every one of you.